Hey, what's going on YouTube? Here we have the Noggle. We bought it at Buybuy Baby for $39.99. This is a 6-foot. It also comes in an 8-foot and 10-foot for larger vehicles. Ways to use it: hang it, strap it, smash it, and hold it. Installs in less than 30 seconds. Says you can loop it, tie it, and turn it. No tools required. Works in all vehicles. Lifetime warranty. It says it comes with a rectangular dash plate, circular dash plate, and retractable ties. Here's some more pictures. We definitely didn't have this when I was growing up. I don't even remember having air conditioning in the vehicle, so kids nowadays are spoiled. Alright. So here's your rectangular plate. Guessing this goes in there. Here's your circular plate and your retractable ties. Tell a friend, join the cash referral. And here are some instructions. Step 1, find fastener. Step 2, pinch fastener together into the vent. Insert folded end into vent. Oh, Jesus, so many steps. Alright, so this is it. I'll probably make another video installing it or when it's installed. I have no idea how all this is going to go. If you think this actually is a good invention, tell me how you would use it below in the description. I have no idea why this is in our house, but I guess we'll give it a try. Thanks for watching.